Hey y'all, how you doing? It's Food Truck Wednesday.
Today, we're at Liddy's Lattes. She's parked in the parking lot of the Interstate Liquor in Manchester. You need to come and see her.
Man, if you want coffee, you want latte, you want it good, buddy, this is the place to come. Liddy's Latte. We're in the parking lot of Interstate Liquors, right off Interstate 24, exit 114. Come down here and check us out. And remember, don't just travel Tennessee, experience Tennessee. Y'all have a good day now.
And that's a wrap.
Thank you so much.